Hello, we've got another great Halloween story. It's Mimi and
Papa.
This one's called Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Cooler. Here we go. Skeleton woke up and he had some hiccups. He took a shower and brushed his teeth and polished his bones and carved a pumpkin and raked some leaves and played with ghosts. Ghost told Skeleton, "Hold your breath. Eat some sugar." Press your fingers in your eyes. Drink some water. Upside down. Ghost made a face, said boo to Skeleton. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. He found a mirror. He held it up. Skeleton screamed. The hiccups left. They jumped away. I hope you love that book as much as we love you. I hope you're enjoying it. We'll see you later.